Igbos are indigenous to 13 states in Nigeria and not just 5 states. When you hear Igbos are only indigenous to 5 states, you must know that it's just propaganda to make you believe that Igbos are only indigenous to 5 states. The Igbo race is too big. As you can see on your screen, the Igbo race are indigenous to all the states that I just mentioned here. Don't mind these people that come online to tell you, Igbos, go with your 5 states. Igbos are just 5 states. They are only in 5 states. You must know that many of these dogs, they don't read. Many of them don't have sense. And you must know that in this country, Nigeria, the number of stupid people are many. That's why we see someone who claims to be educated will come online to tell you that Igbos are only indigenous in 5 states. You should say that person gets it. You should not get it. Now, pure mumu. So, as an educated person, as a wise person, you make research and not just believe what you see online. Igbos are just indigenous to 5 states. Igbos are only located in 5 states. What will you not call Anyama people? What will you not call Ibanke people? What will you call Ikwere people? Are they located in the 5 southeast states? No. They are located outside the 5 southeast states. Is to tell you that the Igbos are not only indigenous to the 5 southeast states, but also outside the 5 southeast states. So when you see a non-Igbo telling you Igbos are only indigenous to 5 states, you will know that that person is having Igbophobia. They don't like Igbo, they hate Igbo, and they will never say anything that favors the Igbos. They want the Igbo race to always be divided. So they will keep preaching that lie that Igbos are only indigenous to just 5 states. So my people, Igbos are indigenous to 13 states. You can make your research for confirmation. We spread the truth, we don't spread the lie. And we must unite with every Igbo speaking people in those 13 states. We must unite with them and identify as one people. Igbo Bofu. We will never allow state creation to divide us. Even if it's only 2 communities are in a state outside the 5 Igbo states, we will unify with them. Make them understand that we are one people. We must never abandon any Igbo region in this country. We are one people. We are one family. Because they created core states and divided Igbo people section by section, kept them in different locations. And because of that, many people in this country don't even know that there are Igbos outside the 5 southeast states. And we Igbos, we must not allow state creation to divide us. We must not allow state creation to change our identity. Whether you are located in South, whether you are located in Niger Delta, whether you are located in the Southeast, we are Igbos. Igbos must unite and identify as one people. Igbos are indigenous to 13 states and not just 5 states. Igbo Bofu. And nobody can divide us. Divided we fall. United we win. Unity is power. It's shared.